सो हेलो दोस्तों, इस वीडियो में 2014 से 2024 तक देखेंगे क्वेश्चन पेपर 5। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द de Broglie wavelength of a material particle which are in thermal equilibrium at temperature T is so h upon under root 2 mkt. Question number 2, of the following same kinetic energy which has the largest wavelength, so n electrons. Question number 3, the phase velocity Vp and the group velocity Vg of a de Broglie wave in a free space speed of light c are related as, so Vp is upon Vg is equal to 0.5. So this is not correct. Vp Vg is equal to c square is correct. And question 4, the uncertainty relations hold for microscopic particle only. Question 5, neglecting variation of mass with velocity, the wavelength associated with electrons having a kinetic energy E is proportional to, so E is E minus 1 by 2. Question number 6, a particle possesses discrete energy level is in a box of rigidity walls. Question number 7, the potential function of a harmonic oscillator is parabolic. Question number 8, according to Schrödinger, a particle is equivalent to a wave packet. Question number 9, if a charged particle of mass m is accelerated through a p, d potential difference of v volt, the de Broglie wavelength is proportional to v minus 1 by z. And question number 10 is the momentum in a quantum mechanics is given by, so h1 by del x is correct. And 2015 is here. A free particle has continuous set of energy. Question number 2, if a particle carrying a charge q is, so this is lambda is equal to h upon mqv under root mqv. And question number 3, the eigenvalue of a harmonic oscillator is E n plus 1 by 2 h nu. And question number 4 is, if alpha is an operator and is operate upon two wave functions psi 1 and psi 2 such that alpha psi 1 and psi 2 is equal to alpha psi 1 and psi 2, then alpha is a linear operator. So question number 5, if 2 1 1 and psi t 1 and 2, sorry not t 1 and 2, then the wave function psi is symmetric. So 2 1 1 2 symmetric. Question 6, both psi m and psi n are the eigenfunction for the Schrödinger equation. The two wave functions are said to be orthogonal if, so indication psi m star psi n d torque t is equal to 0. And question number 7 is here, if S is the entropy and W is the thermodynamics probability of the state, then S is equal to k log omega. Question number 8, the particle which denotes away the body exclusion principle are called bosons. Question number 9, the gas molecule of a MB statics. Question number 10, the fermions have odd half integral spins. And 2016, the group velocity of the matter wave is, so equals to the particle velocity. And question number 2, the uncertainty relation hold for microscopic particles only. Question number 3, the operator associated with energy is minus IH del y del t. Question number 4, the correct identity is, so L square Lx is equal to G, sorry 0 not G. So question number 5, the energy levels of a particle bound in a particle's wall are discrete directly proportional to pi squares. And question number 6, in a canonical ensemble a system A of found volume is in constant with a large receiver B, then A can exchange only energy with B. Question number 7. The Gibbs function G is thermodynamics defined as G is equal to H minus Ts in an isothermal, isobaric and reversible process. G remains constant but not zero. And question number 8. A spin value of bosons are so non-negative integer. Question 9. The average energy of a harmonic oscillator for in 3 dimension is 3 kT. And question number 10. The relation between the Fermi energy and the density of electron is EF is proportional to P 2 by 3. And 2017. Choose the correct equation. Lz is equal to Hi x del y del y minus y del y del x. Question 2. The energy eigenvalue E of a particle in a box of dimension W is given by so n is square h square by 8m l square. Question number 3. Position and momentum are given by xi, pj is equal to minus ih del ij. Question 4. Choose the incorrect relation out of the following. So incorrect. So Lz L plus minus L plus minus L plus minus this is wrong. And question 5. The de Broglie hypothesis is associated with wave nature of material particles. Question number 6. If S is the entropy and ohm is the thermodynamics probability of a state, then the correct relation is given by so S is equal to K log ohm. And question number 7. The particles which obey the Pauli exclusion principle are called fermions. Question number 8. The light quanta photon obey BE statics, Bose-Einstein statics. The fermions have odd half integral spin. The Fermi distribution function Fe is given by so Fe upon exponential b e minus mu whole bracket plus 1. And the 2018 group velocity Vg is given by so Vg is equal to dw by dr is correct. This is correct. And double derivative is this correct. So first, if you have a question in your question examination question this question, so first you take this question answer and second derivative is this. So question number 2. The time dependent Schrodinger equation is given by so minus ih square to m so minus ih del psi or del t is equal to minus ih by 2m del square psi plus b psi. So फर्स्ट यहाँ से पढ़े और उसके बाद यहाँ पढ़े तो माइनस आई एच का कट डेल साइन बाई डेल टी इक्वल टू माइनस एच स्क्वायर बाई 2m डेल स्क्वायर साइन प्लस बी साइन. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. विच ऑन ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट अल्टरनेटिव इज नॉट करेक्ट. सो इसमें पूछ रहा कौन को सही नहीं है. सो द आइगन वैल्यू ऑफ ईच हर्मिटियन ऑपरेटर इज इक्वल सही है. द टू आइगन फंक्शन ऑफ द हर्मिटियन ऑपरेटर बिलोंगिंग्स टू डिफरेंट आइगन वैल्यू आर ऑर्थोगोनल सही है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. एक्स आई पी जे इक्वल टू माइनस आई एच डेल आई जे इज सही है बट टी इज नॉट करेक्ट. माइनस आई एच डेल वेक्टर डेल रिप्रेजेंट लीनियर मोमेंटम ऑपरेटर इज नॉट करेक्ट. एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. द एनर्जी ऑफ वन डायमेंशन हार्मोनिक ऑसिलेटर इन द फर्स्ट एक्साइटेड स्टेट इज इक्वल्स टू so 3/2 h at cut omega. So and the question number 5 is the spins of an electron is so plus minus h by 2. And question number 6. In a reversible change the entropy so remains constant. You see this, look at this side, above side. Question 7. The thermodynamics parameters of an ensemble may be expressed in the terms of so partitions function. Question number 8. Electrons are classified as fermions. Question number 9. String approx is given by, so log x factorial log x log e x minus x is correct. So question number 10 is the relation between the Fermi energy EF and the density of electrons Ne. So EF is proportional Ne 2 by 3. And 2019 physics paper 5. So the de Broglie, this is 2015. The de Broglie wavelength associated with an electron subjected to a potential difference of 1.2 kV is, so 0.3 ampere angstrom. Question 2. The Heisenberg uncertainty principle is given as delta x into delta p is equal to h by 2. So this is not correct. This is correct. Delta x delta p is greater than h by 2 is correct. Question number 3. Which one of the following is the correct relation? So L cap z is equal to H L z cap L cap z. So you can इसका जो क्लिफिकेशन कर देते कैसे सही हुआ उसके लिए पीछे आ जाइए. So look this, you can see this del x del p is greater than h cut by 2. This is correct. This is beautiful data have mentioned one place. एक जगह पर मैंने सभी से अच्छा सा लिख दिए हैं तो अपने हिसाब को काम आएगा. Question number 4. Pauli spin mechanics do not gives, so sin x sin y 2i sin. Question number 5. The eigenvalue equation is, so APA is equal to AP for A. Question number 6. The correct relation between entropy S and the statistical probability sigma is given by, so S बराबर k log sigma. And the question number 7 is the average thermal wavelength lambda associated with a molecule is given as, so h upon 2 pi mkt 1 by 2. And question number 8. Gibbs paradox is represented by the relation of S is equal to SA plus SB is equal to 2 and k log 2. And question number 9. The electron obey FD statics. Electron obey करता है FD statics को. Question number 10. The partition function x is given z. So summation E0 exponential minus BEI is correct. पहले भी दिया है क्वेश्चन. So you can see this. आप देख लिए. चलते हैं आगे. So ये आप जानते थे, उसमें सही भी किए थे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 2020 का. The time dependent Schrodinger equation is given as, so time dependent Schrodinger minus IH square by 2m del square sin plus v sin. So first minus IH del sin और del t. इसको पहले पढ़ेंगे तब इसको पहले इसको लिख लेंगे. इसको कहीं भी ऐसे भी लिखे सब बहुत हर करेक्ट. Question 2. The energy of one dimensional harmonic oscillator in the first excited state is equals to 3 by 2 h omega. So this is first excited. Second excited state is 5 by 2. So question number 3. The phase velocity Vp is given by, so Vp is equal to W into upon K. Question number 4. The energy eigenvalue E of a particles in a box of dimensions L is given by E. So E is equal to n square h square by 8m L square. Question number 5. Position and momentum are given by xi pi is equal to del h del ij. So this is correct because here right. And thus, and question 6. The particle which obey the Pauli's exclusion principle value are, so fermions. So question number 7. The Fermi distribution function is given as f is equal to 1. So exponential u e minus u kt plus 1. And question number 8. Stirling approx is given by the expression log n I factorial is equal to n log n minus n. So n की जगह पर हम x भी लिख सकते हैं, x minus x. This is the correct relations. Question number 10. The relation between the Fermi energy EF and the density of electron Ne is given as. So EF is proportional Ne square 2/3. So अब 2021 में आ जाते हैं. So question number 1. The wave aspect of electron was established by. So Davison and German experiment. पहले भी आ चुका है. The 0 point energy of a harmonic oscillator is 1/2 h omega. Question number 3. The commutations relation x n power px ix is so ni h x n power minus 1. So n, this is x n, so x n minus 1. So Bohr radius is given by, so h square by me e square. And question number 5. The energy spectrum in an infinitive dash potential wall is discrete. And question number 6. If S is the entropy and W is the thermodynamics probability of the state, then so S is equal to sk log omega. The fermions have odd half integral spin. Question number 8. For Fermi-Dirac statistics is for the particle with a half integral spin. Bosons with symmetrical wave function do not obey Pauli exclusion principle. Question number 10. The sum of the T macroscopic from the energy is called internal energy. So अब 2020 मुंगेर यूनिवर्सिटी का देख लेते हैं. इसका क्वेश्चन पेपर भी डाल देंगे इसी वीडियो में. So a free particle has a continuous set of energy. Question 2. According to Schrödinger, a particle is equivalent to a wave packet. Question 3. The potential function of a harmonic oscillator is parabolic. Number of two electrons can be have over all the four quantum number equals. This statement is true for Pauli exclusion principles. Question number 5. The Heisenberg uncertainty principle is given as del x del p is greater than s/2. पहले भी दिखा चुके हैं इसके डाटा. Question number 6. The average thermal energy wavelength lambda is associated with in a molecule is given as h upon is equal to 2 pi mkt upon 1/2. So root को 1/2 भी लिख सकते हैं. Root of is equals to 1/2. So 1/2 is here, right? Question number 7. The correct relation between entropy S and statistical probability sigma is given by. So S is equal to k log sigma. So k log sigma. The gas molecule of a MB statics. Question number 9. The fermions have odd half integral spin. Question number 10. The value of probability of an event cannot be negatives. Question 2024 correctly क्या क्वेश्चन आया था. The momentum of a photons having frequency v is so hv by c. B is correct. The time dependent Schrödinger wave equation for a free electron is pi square psi is equal to minus ih by 2 by del psi by del t. According to question ये सही होगा. 2m भी देते तो और सही हो जाता. The energy eigenvalue of hydrogen atom is given by so En is equal to minus u z square e power 4 to h square n square. So question number 4. Pauli exclusion principle applies to so MB statics. Question number 5. The uncertainty principle applies to so uncertainty principle apply. So microscopic particles correct. So confusion है इसमें, कुछ चेक कर लेते हैं, बाद में कर लेंगे. Question number 6. The operator del square is called a Laplacian operator. Question number 7. According to the Debye theory of atomic heat of a solid at low temperature is proportional to TQ. So TQ cube of the absolute temperature. And question number 8. Fermi-Dirac statistics apply to electrons. Question number 9. Partition function is defined as so z e g I n I e power minus I k e I k t. And question number 10 is here. From a pack of 52 52 cards 52 cards, 2 are drawn at random. What is the probability that one is kings and the other is queen? So 8 by 663 is correct. सो दोस्तों इस वीडियो में हमने पूरा वीडियो आपको बता दिए. सो आई होप कि आपको मदद हुआ होगा एग्जामिनेशन में. तो लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.